Hello guys, welcome back on our technology battlefield. Let's learn and dive with the practical in these tutorials. How to recover your email ID in case you don't have the recovery password, recovery email, recovery phone number. Yes, there is an alternative way by providing the sufficient information or enough information for the Google to be sure that this account is really belongs to. How it is possible, we will see live here. Unfortunately, this ID belongs to my one viewer who has recommended to recover quickly because he would like to have the protect his data, and it happens due to losing of his device today. He has lost his phone number, recovery emails, everything show now. Yes, this can be possible, but by alternative, let's see how it is possible. We will see live here. Try again. We have this ID particular. Of course, we have either we forgot email or we can go for next. Now here is either we have the password, we don't have a password, then we will go for try another way. Otherwise, if you know password, then you can go for next. So I don't have, so I will go for try another way. Now there is a phone number that we have to enter, and of course we will get a OTP, and then of course we can recover. If we don't have the phone number, then we will click here, we don't have. Now what will happen is saying that of course we did not provide enough information for the Google to show that in this account is mine. So now how it is possible to recover? See, if I do try again and again the multiple times here by a similar text, then of course Google will provide an opportunity, of course, to create the strong password within the 48 hours by submitting some legal documents, either your proof identity spontaneously, of course, alternative emails by that, and if on the basis of Google endorse that's in this ID is really yours, then of course you can. But of course it will take time, 48 hours. So how can I minimize often this time and the quickly how can I save this data? So just we will cut it from here. Don't click on the try again. So just we will come in especially here Play Store you will have to download, that is a Naval browser. Yes, it has started to here. See guys, download. It's a 148 MB, so it will take time. So hold this especially. Click on a Google product, hold the Google especially, click on a help icon, and thereupon of course we will follow these protocols step by step. Click on notification, make it disable, and thereupon of course we will back, navigate the location, so tap on a permission, click on a location, yes, make the precise location disable, then of course we will click on a don't allow, and here if you deny this permission, the basic feature of your device may be no longer. Fine, no problem, especially as intended. Of course we will do it for timing guys. We'll cut it from here. Once again I repeat the same procedure. Click on a special Google product and pick the Chrome, hold it, and thereupon click on a help icon, and thereupon click on notification. Notification, of course, we will have to make it the blocks, and thereupon, of course, once again, we will come the permissions to, of course, navigate the location, and of course, here, make it the disable the precise location. Click on it, don't allow any, and yeah, notification. That's what we are. Now everything has been rendered. Now once again, we will pick this Chrome and hold. Click on a help icon, and thereupon, here is especially apps. Browser app, click on here. Now we have this one, so we will have to pick this one and cut it from here. Let's open this especially browser. We will have to accept the all term and condition. Now see what will happen here guys. After accepting term and condition, we will go for next, and thereupon click on a start without sign-ins. Now see here, start without sign-in. Now yes, we will have to pick the sign-in. So here we will have to cut it, and thereupon of course here we will have to write this email. So email is especially of course here. This one we will have. Now fine. We will go for next here guys. Let's see what will happen. Now it's asking so once again the password. This browser is also asking password. Also this browser is asking the phone number. This browser now thinks I couldn't sign in. Similar problems I'm here. Don't click on try again. Wait, so because of course, yeah. If we click on here, then Google will trust easily that I'm trying to recover the particular ID that don't belong to other. That's why we are trying to recover by different browser. So don't click on here, otherwise it will be freeze for a time being, for 1 day, for 2 days, or maybe for permanent. So in that condition we will cut it from here, no problems. Now we will come to setting, guys. We will have to tap on here, and after tapping here, what we have to do, we will have to pick the Google service. Where is the Google service? This one it is. Yes, let it, especially in the Google service, we will have to pick this one. We will click on a help icon and upon. Let's see what will happen. Here we have a can't sign in. Can't sign in, we can go for here. Now, in a can't sign in, here, see guys, here is especially try to, you think someone else is using your account. Let's see. Now here we will have to go for secure your accounts and upon. Here, what we have to do, account recovery page finds. Here we will have to go for in a review your account activity on a here. Now see, find out if your account has been hacked, find out if your account has been hijacked, find out your email if you forgot password, you don't have the recovery anything. So guys, just pick this one, we will pick this, and now we have especially see Google account recovery. So we will scroll, and of course here account recovery page, just we will have to follow some these ones. Now directly we will have to enter here, especially in that particular, yes, recovery email, guys. And now here what we have to do, guys, here just we will have to go for here, click on a next. Now see guys, here directly we would of course signed in now here. So magically see guys, we don't have need to anything. So guys, directly we have the register because Google has given extra opportunity to especially in the recovery. So now here we have a two option, either we can sign, we can change password. So here what we will do, if we go for continue, then as we know that there will be no chances. Yes, there is also chances that if I go for continue, then directly we can add their alternative email, alternative of course phone number as a recovery, and then we can modify according to your request. And if I go for change the password, then of course we can click on here, and now we can create this strong password easily, guys. Now see here, yes, create a new password, confirm the password, and everything is your. So easily this can recover any emails. Do similar strategy of course, and we can quickly. This is all about in this video tutorial. Furthermore, any query, confusion, sublime the rest the query below the comment box. Pleasure would be mine to reply your query. And of course, one thing more, this is only when the institution purpose, so don't misuse it, guys, of course. Otherwise I will have no benefits to the market and the public serves in this tutorial lives here. So this is all about, and if you feel this is informative and knowledgeable, then don't forget like, subscribe. Once again, it's my humble request. And so thank you very much indeed for watching a technology welfare, and of course keep watching. Thank you very much.